When it comes to money, everyone thinks differently, and this exact mindset determines whether someone stays stuck or builds wealth. First, let's look at the poor mindset. People with this mindset immediately spend whatever income they earn on instant desires and daily needs. They live strictly paycheck to paycheck with zero savings and no financial plan for the future. Next is the middle class mindset. They believe success means working hard for a good job, buying a home, and getting a nice car. However, the middle class often mistakes liabilities for assets, buying expensive things on EMI that drain their pocket every month. They work hard for money, but because their expenses grow with their income, they stay trapped in the middle class cycle forever. Now, let's talk about the rich mindset. Rich people don't work for money. Instead, they make their money work for them. Instead of buying liabilities, they focus all their initial income on acquiring true assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses. Over time, these assets generate passive income, which eventually buys them complete financial freedom and luxury. To sum it up, poor mindset spends money, middle class mindset saves to buy liabilities, and rich mindset invests to build cash flow. Your financial future isn't determined by how much you earn today, but by the mindset you choose to follow from now on. Once you understand this fundamental shift, you realize that high income alone won't make you rich if your spending habits mirror a poor mindset. This is why so many high earners, like athletes or lottery winners, go completely broke within just a few years. To break the cycle, you must first reallocate your cash flow. Pay yourself first before settling any bills or purchasing desires. Second, start building assets that produce cash flow without requiring your active physical time every single day. Third, delay gratification until your assets are large enough to buy your luxuries for you rather than paying for them out of pocket. True wealth isn't about showing off expensive possessions, it's about owning your time and having total freedom over your daily decisions. Start shifting your mindset today, take control of your financial habits, and build a future where money works for you.